Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to get a refund from the Fandango app. Now if you want to get refund from the Fandango app, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Fandango app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Fandango app. So this is the homepage of Fandango, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. So you just need to sign into your account to refund the ticket which you have bought. So you may click on the option of profile icon and you may simply sign in from here. So if you have already signed in, you just need to click on the option of my orders. So under my orders you will see the option of upcoming or history. So you just need to click on the option of history, and here you will see the various number of tickets which you have purchased. So if you are eligible for refund or exchange, then you will see the option of refund to Fandango or refund to original payments. So you just need to select the option if there is any available, and you just need to follow the on-screen instruction which the Fandango will give, and you'll be able to get the refund if you are eligible for refund. So you'll also get an email with any details. So you just need to find the email in the mail which you have signed up or which you have included in it. So after doing all of it, you will be able to get the refund from the Fandango. So that's it. That's how you can get the refund from Fandango. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.